Lambros, what up? Welcome to the channel. I'm SteveCurrington.com if you're new. Lambro Steve. That's a Ford GT. We're about to see it drop. He's going to put it in race mode and something's going to happen. Oh yeah. There, now it's low. Oh, that came back up. Yeah. It jumped back up. This is the Ford GT, and this is one of 30. And can I see? Looking. I'm gonna get inside. I don't want to get you in there. Oh, there we go. I love how dramatically it drops because it's really low. Yeah, but it's just the look at this thing. Quick. Yeah. Yeah. All right. My neighbor, he owns look at this tub. All carbon. The seats. Put that one on there. Oh, that's dead. This thing is sexy. Well, what do you guys think? That's the new Ford GT. We're at the Ford versus Ferrari showing here in Tulsa with caffeine and gasoline, and that's a pretty badass car, so wanted to make sure that we got it on film. I should have videoed it getting up the curb, but it was a little, what's up? There you go. It was a little nerve-wracking. Oh, we go look in the Ferrari now. Ferrari. I know, this is like, I get to drive a Ferrari. Just kidding. All right. Yeah, quick. Try the other now this side. This is a Ferrari 160. Just kidding. Yeah. Here we go. This is the 165. This is burning my hand right now. It's very hot. Oh yeah. I'm not used to holding Ferrari stuff, but look at that. Can't have to wash your hands. I know, I'm gonna have to wash my hands, bro. But the classic red. Here you go. Thank you. And that's Matthew Sexter. What's up? Berlinetta. So if you haven't seen Ford versus Ferrari, go watch it. For me, I didn't really understand what this livery meant until I watched this movie, and then I text my homie that owns this and said, now I get it. So two beautiful cars, and again, we're in Tulsa at the, not the premiere, but they're doing a caffeine and gasoline event here to where everybody's watching it. So I gotta get my car to white glove because there's a cord bubble in the back right tire. I just got back from Colorado Springs and Vegas, and it's about to explode, so I'm gonna go get it into white glove and get it on the jack before it blows. And thanks for watching. Let's get a shot of these cars, and then we'll see you in the next video.